Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great, and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I did a video long time ago about squash and the bedbug gang from St. Anns. Now in the video I didn't have clear proof of certain things, but my intel was showing me certain information that linked certain things. So in my video, this is what I said about squash at the time, because I'm going to show you guys something to prove that I was right. Busshead gang, them have a faction in St. Anns, and it seems like Jman him a the overseer, cause the Busshead gang start in Montego Bay and I think Salt Spring area, and it seems like them a branch out to other parishes. Now, what make me want to do that video is because squash is involved with Jman. This video that you just hear, I did it in like a year and a half ago. This was when Busshead and Jman girl got killed in Jamaica. This was before Jman even come America, and I talked about it. But like I said, I didn't have the full info. And I'll tell you one thing about me. You see me is a profiler, and all me have to do is see couple info or see how somebody operate, and I can give you a close, if not accurate, information on that person. Now this is a thing we may have from a long time, and I can't tell you enough ways in how I profile people, and sometimes I use it to my advantage. You understand? When I was younger, I didn't really understand me have the ability there, but believe me, I do, and this video is part of that. Listen to this. Them set a youth here. From when I realize, now go back to where we are talking about the Busshead gang. Them are mostly scammers them. Just like enough of the man them in Anns-Mobay scammers turn bad man. But them are mostly scammers, and enough of them wasn't bad man. Enough of them was just regular youth, and then them start do the scamming, buy out them car, buy out them gun, this, that, and that's how it start roll down the sun. With that said, now move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. That are the youth to them call name gun back. You have the press button. So, my dog press feed button, he may do anything for my dog, and right on the street have it that he look soft and anything I like him not have nothing but the trick that, you know the man them, you know how it go at Jamaica. No man not confront you, no man them a screech you up on you and talk to you and then shoot you or act like them a do something else. So no more straight up confrontation. But the youth here, him and Mr. Press Button, him go do lyrics for them. You understand? For the Busshead crew. Now, there's another point we want to talk about. And that involves the Squash and Jman with the gang. Now, the Busshead gang, they leave from Mobay and they are in a St. Anns. The leader, the first youth on the show are the so-called upper man in the thing. A scamming them do. So it seems like the youth the Squash been doing scamming, been doing certain things, and not only that, he must spread them tentacles. Yo, as far as me concerned, a Squash are the leader of the Busshead gang. Cause him are the strongest man, and him are the strongest link between Jman and the youth when me a profile. And no one say something, you know. It is so sad that Squash have 6 brothers, 4 of them dead. Him get a break in the music business. And him still a program with violence. Now, me a go do a video on Squash after that one, you know. Me a do a video on him. Cause I want to talk about him. But remember now, that clip on the ear is from a video I did. I'm gonna say close to 2 years ago. On Squash, Jman, the Busshead crew. And like I said, I am a profiler. I did put them profile together and the link. But it was missing something. And I couldn't confirm it 100%. But watching a video from On The Spot, big up On The Spot every time, you understand, On The Spot, do your thing my lord. Watching a video from On The Spot news media, he confirmed what I have always said, and On The Spot news media put in the missing link for me. So when I tell you guys that Countryman is a profiler, I may have the ability to unravel certain things. I've been doing it since I was a child, and a lot of times when I don't follow it, I get in trouble. But yeah, and I could use it for good and I could use it for bad. But On The Spot news media confirm what I was saying. Now, another critical piece, because I'm gonna play the On The Spot news media to confirm my thing, but another critical piece what I am realizing. You see the Busshead crew, they have long tentacles. Now, even the Busshead that's in Spanish Town, he's from Mobay, you know. And I heard from my intel that him linked with the Busshead crew from Mobay. And I'll be honest, you see the Busshead were there in Spanish Town, that boy they have a whole heap of money. You understand? That you they have money, yo. And yeah, used to spar with Tesha them, and him and Tesha fall out, and him have a faction. So the Busshead crew, yeah, them a do them thing, yo. Well, I'm gonna play the video from On The Spot news media, which confirm what I've always said. Listen to this.
Jman Busshead is originally from 41 Rose Heights in Montego Bay, St. James. He's also aligned to the infamous Six Boss, otherwise known as Squash, and is also cousins with the now incarcerated Jareem Shelton, otherwise known as Jman, presently incarcerated in the United States in relation to knockings and clappings that took place in Lauderhill in Florida.
Right there, on the spot news media confirmed what I have always said. Now, the video I did, which I've been playing parts of it in the past, the video from the past, was the Busshead gang migrating to St. Anns and causing a lot of trouble. Now, I also said Squash was linked with them and Jman, because you heard it in the video, and this was, like I said, close to 2 years ago. So, on the spot news media, thank you for proving what I was saying, and people and the viewers them can see that me, countryman, I don't make up stuff for views and stuff like that. I really do stuff to try and make a difference. I am not a talking head who just a repeat shit for views, you understand? So when I get into something, I become very obsessive, you understand? And I like to get to the bottom of it, or else I get really fucking frustrated and crazy out. But that's just me. Listen, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned, cause there is more video coming. Now, I think I'm gonna title this video On the Spot News Media confirm what I've always said. Thank you, I'm out. Peace. Love y'all.